Hi guys, iOS 18.4 Beta 2 is out and this is what we know so far. This is the build number for iOS 18.4 Beta 2. There's now added support for iPhone 16e. Remember, in iOS 18.4 Beta 1, iPhone 16e was not able to download this update, but with Beta 2, you are now able to download the update on iPhone 16e. Support for visual intelligence has now been added for the iPhone 15 series. Remember, visual intelligence and Apple Intelligence and all that stuff was only for iPhone 16s going upwards, but now visual intelligence has also been added for iPhone 15s. Talking about Apple Intelligence, there's now a new category for Apple Intelligence and Siri, and it contains icons like Talk to Siri, Apple Intelligence, and all that stuff. So you might find this on any phone that supports Apple Intelligence. If you are on a phone that does not support Apple Intelligence, it won't have these icons in the control. Some new emojis have been added to your keyboard, so you might find a new set of emojis like the harp, this plant which looks like a turnip, and also the fingerprint, and a whole list of other emojis that have been added. The modem firmware has been updated to version 4.51.02, which probably means that there's better connectivity. I would say with this version, the connectivity has been a bit stable than the previous versions. So I will not talk about the Vision Pro app or the Apple News Plus Food or Apple Intelligence adding new languages because this was added in Beta 1. You can find the video right here if you want to watch for those updates. However, if you want to check out the fixes that were implemented by Apple, you can find these in the release notes and you can see the list of fixes that they've added right here.